That empty wall isn't just a blank space. It's a missed opportunity for high-end design. Stop settling for mass-produced when you can create breathtaking architectural art in a single afternoon. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on senior designer secrets to turn your walls into a show-stopping highlight. Let's make this afternoon count. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Décor. There is a specific kind of magic that happens when you point to a spot on your wall and say, "I built that." If you've been staring at a flat room that lacks tactile depth, this masterclass is for you. We are decoding creative DIY wall art ideas that blend organic minimalism with professional-grade finishing. From floating shelf alchemy to textured bas reliefs, I'm showing you how to curate a home that feels both expensive and deeply personal. Let's elevate your sanctuary. The textural wall revelation tips 1. The architectural canvas, visual weight. We begin with visual weight. An empty wall creates a hollow room. By introducing DIY floating shelves, we aren't just adding storage. We are adding architectural integrity. The secret to a high-end look is the invisible bracket, making the wood appear to grow directly out of the wall. This is the foundation of organic minimalism. The textural wall revelation tips 2. Material Alchemy, raw wood secrets. For your shelves, we use Material Alchemy. Don't just use any wood. We look for tactile integrity, reclaimed oak or cedar with visible grain. By using a matte, wax-based finish instead of a glossy varnish, the wood keeps its soul, creating a breathtaking connection to nature right in your living room. The textural wall revelation tips 3. The 3D bas relief, shadow architecture. Now, let's talk about art. We are moving beyond the frame. Using joint compound on a recycled canvas, we create a textured bas relief. This is shadow architecture. As the sun moves through your room, the peaks and valleys of the texture cast changing shadows, making your wall feel alive and multi-dimensional. The textural wall revelation tips 4. The floating library, linear rhythm. In segment 4, we master linear rhythm. When hanging your DIY shelves, don't just align them perfectly. Stagger them to create a vertical narrative. This draws the eye upward, increasing the architectural volume of the room and making even a small space feel like a grand gallery. The textural wall revelation tips 5. Biophilic accents, radiant life. A wall needs to breathe. We integrate biophilic styling by floating small, recycled glass vessels on your new shelves. Placing these near a light source creates a luminous highlight, where the water and glass reflect onto the wall. It's a gentle, restorative touch for any soulful sanctuary. The textural wall revelation tips 6. The negative space rule, compositional continuity. The most common mistake, overstyling. As a senior expert, I live by the rule of negative space. Leave room for the wall to breathe. By grouping objects in threes and leaving empty zones, you ensure each DIY piece acts as a breathtaking focal point, not clutter. Before you go and grab your tools, I want to say a huge thank you to this mindful community. Every time you build something with your own hands, you're adding a piece of your soul to your home. If you're ready to build those floating shelves, or try the bas relief art, tell me in the comments. I want to see your heartbeat in your work. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep weaving our stories together. Happy decorating! Remember, your home is not just where you live. It is a testament to who you are. When we choose to build instead of buy, we create a soulful sanctuary that reflects our infinite potential. Trust your material alchemy, make this afternoon count, and create a breathtaking wall that tells your unique story. I'm Beki. and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.